Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Stellenbosch FC and Maghreb Defes have agreed a deal for the transfer of winger Devin Titus. A club-to-club agreement has set the wheels in motion for a likely move for the 26-year-old winger to Moroccan Botola Pro League champions, who recently secured the signature of South African striker Tshegofatso Mabasa on a free transfer. Titus is a long-serving member of the Stellenbosch squad, having been with the club for 6 years now, after progressing through their academy. He recently signed a new contract despite interest from Betway Premiership rivals Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates, signaling his intent to remain at the Cape Winelands club. However, Maghreb Defes are understood to have triggered a buyout clause in that new deal, and now the move is subject to Titus agreeing personal terms and completing a medical before the transfer can be finalized. Titus featured for Stellenbosch yesterday, Tuesday night, and he also scored in a 6-goal thriller that ended 3-3 against Polokwane FC at Seshego Stadium. He appeared in that game despite negotiations taking place in the background over a potential departure. Stellenbosch have experienced a significant squad overturn ahead of the 2026-27 season. Langelihle Phili joining Kaizer Chiefs among other notable departures. The club have also lost key players including defender Thabo Moloisane, Athenkosi Nqaba to local rivals, while forward Ashley Cupido has moved on loan to Israel. But Stellenbosch did gain Given Msimango and Ashley Dupree from Kaizer Chiefs. Even Mteteli Mtiani moved to Orlando Pirates. Titus would become the latest Stellenbosch Academy product to move on. Should Devin Titus agree to personal terms, he is expected to be confirmed as Maghreb Defes player in the upcoming days. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this transfer between Stellenbosch FC and also Moroccan champions Maghreb FC? Do you think it's a good move for Devin Titus? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. And in other news, South African defender Tylon Smith is set for a move to Major League Soccer outfit New England Revolution from English Championship club Queen's Park Rangers. Tylon Smith, who's just 21 years old, joined QPR from Stellenbosch FC at the start of last season after winning the Under-20 African Cup of Nations and staring at the Under-20 FIFA World Cup with South Africa. And after raking up 4 first-team appearances for the English club, he looks set to make a move to the MLS for a more prominent role. According to sources close to the MLS club, they've confirmed that the two clubs have reached an agreement for a season-long loan with an option to make the deal permanent. New England Revolution head coach Marko Mitrovic was in charge of the USA Under-20 squad during the World Cup when his side faced off against Amajita while in Chile, and would have seen Smith up close. The move is set to provide the promising centre-back with an opportunity to cement himself in a competitive league, where Bafana duo Oluwethu Makhanya, formerly of Philadelphia Union, and Mbekezeli Mbokazi began to impress. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this deal? Do you think that it's a good move for him? Remember, Tylon Smith hardly played in the championship for QPR, so maybe a move to the MLS will guarantee him more game time. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this transfer news? That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.